code-genie.ai, sales. AI helps businesses to increase their sales. Bots and virtual assistants provide product recommendations and customized discounts. By analyzing massive customer data, AI algorithms help sales teams to understand consumers better. AI can analyze vast amounts of customer data, including purchase history, preferences, and behavior, to gain insights into customer segments, buying patterns, and trends. This information can be used to personalize marketing campaigns, recommend products, and tailor promotions to individual customers, increasing the chances of making a sale. Recommendation systems powered by AI can suggest related products based on customer preferences and browsing history, encouraging cross-selling and upselling. Augmented reality, AR, technology powered by AI can enable virtual try-on experiences, allowing customers to visualize products in their own environment before making a purchase. This enhances customer confidence, reduces returns, and improves the overall shopping experience. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.